What is going on, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Guys, we have got a guest with us today. Street Slayers come all the way down from Baltimore, Maryland, in the middle of all this corona stuff. Anyway, guys, we're both healthy, at least I hope we are.
I mean, we just did eat Mexican.
But we got plenty of toilet paper, right?
That's right.
Actually, I don't. I didn't follow the toilet paper craze.
Yep. Just to let everybody know, we are taking precautions.
There you go. Hopefully this will be over pretty soon because everything's closing down.
Including the racetrack.
The drag strip is closed down. My drag strip is closed down for 30 days. A lot of stuff going on. I hope everybody's staying safe. And even though we kind of joke around about it, everybody's taking it seriously, and as you should. But I hope everybody is healthy and doing good out there. But anyway, guys, he come down all the way from Baltimore, Maryland, now, to pick up a car. Now, you actually bought this car, what, a month or so ago?
Yeah, it's January.
In January, and he finally got time to come down and pick it up. So he come down and pick the car up. A lot of you know the car, but we are on our way to get the car now, and we will pick up out there. Cody!
What up?
What are you doing?
Oh, no, nothing, you know. Oh, no! Dropping smoke!
You dropped the smoke?
Smoke!
And, you know, he come all the way down from Baltimore. So if we get the corona...
It's on him.
It's on him. It's on you.
It's all on him.
All right, guys, so, Cody, what are we doing today? Are you letting something go?
I think I am.
Oh, boy.
Man, I don't know if it's a fart or what. Is he here to pick up a car?
Yeah, he's here. Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah. All right, sorry. So, all right, guys. So, as most of you have pretty much guessed it, I almost tripped and fell. That wouldn't have been good.
No,
He is here to pick up Blue. Now, a while back, Blue actually had a little fit and decided they didn't like Cody playing with it anymore.
Hey, it had what, 6 years of
that car
500 horsepower and
yeah, that car spent 5 to 6 years, over 400 to the wheel. It went through a Pro Charger and now an Eaton, and it held up to years of just slamming and jamming and going.
Well, maybe it'll last 6 months with me. I'm not sure.
Maybe. When you get the new engine put in it.
But see, y'all ain't got nothing to worry about because this is going to be all gone. There's going to be a 6.0 LS put in there.
yes!
I know, I'm just joking.
Yes!
You just made Cody's dream come true. So what are the plans with this?
The plan, I really don't want to talk about it in front of Cody. Okay, I'm going to tell you. So, the plans for this is pretty much a max effort. I want to see how far I can take this 2-valve with a blower. But it is definitely going to have an aluminum block. I have a Texid.
Okay.
And I'm not sure if I'm going to use it or not. I haven't taken it to the machine shop, but it's definitely going to be some trick flow heads involved. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep it manual because I'm already going through down that road right now, and that's why my car's broke sitting on the trailer. Trade you.
Woo! Man.
Hey, he's got a manual, you got an auto.
Hey.
There you go.
But that's why I got that car.
Yeah. Guys, much as we love manuals, and he will tell you, manuals are blast to drive down a track, they're fun, and when you run a good time with a manual, it's very self-satisfying.
Oh yeah, definitely.
But, however, the reason I'm with the auto now, the reason everybody else is going auto, is because you go through so much money with a manual keeping it running on the track.
Right.
And this thing with an auto, what transmission? You don't have to give away everything because you do.
No. It's all gonna be on. It's all gonna be documented on YouTube anyway. I'm thinking definitely a 4R70. Yeah. That's
Okay.
what I'm thinking.
Okay.
I don't want to go with a turbo 400 because I'm not really a big fan of the first gear with the supercharger. Now, if I was doing like a turbo setup or something like that, I would probably do a turbo 400. But I think the 4R70 is gonna be key.
Yeah. So this guys. Street Slayers, go check out his channel if you want to watch the evolution.
Don't.
What?
Yeah, don't check out my channel. You guys just
Anyway, guys, go check out Street Slayers because you want to watch the evolution of this car and what it's going to become. I'm very interested to see where he takes it.
I'm gonna take it to the max.
If he's going to take a 2-valve to the max, I always like the 2 valves when they get fast because everybody's like, a 2 valve can't be fast, but they can.
Yeah.
They can.
They can.
So you want to fire this thing up and let them listen to, because I don't think we ever let them listen to what happened to this thing. Now you know. So he was left with the choice to build this or to get that. And he kind of gravitated toward that.
Yeah, because I was on the fence, I was like, I'd have to solid axle it, because it got the IRS on it. I was like, I had to solid axle it, and get a $3,000 transmission, build that rear end, $1,000 clutch, and I was like, oh, I can't justify it. When on that, all I gotta do is just blow her.
And that's the sad truth about it. It is. It is. It is a sad truth.
You know what? He brings up a good point. Hey, you want to...
Woo! Oh, me. So
I don't know if you remember, but as soon as I seen your video when he bought that car, I was like, hey, where's that other car? I asked immediately.
Yeah.
And that's when I started hounding him on Instagram.
Yeah.
This deal has been in the making for what, 4 or 5 months now?
Yeah, it's been a while.
Yeah, they've been going back and forth trying to do it, and we kind of talked about it on my live stream. Kind of talked about a little bit, and like hinting around that, you know, you was getting a car. Nobody ever picked up on it.
Yeah, it's kind of funny. I don't think anybody pays attention to me. They kind of learned their lesson. Like, hey, don't listen to that wild boy.
I hate to see this car go. I really do, man.
I don't.
But after talking to you, I know it's going to a good home, and you better do some videos on this thing.
Definitely will. Just bought a new Hero 8, so I'm looking forward to making some good videos with it.
Also, he's got a video on his journey down here, and I imagine he'll film this and his journey back. So go check out that video on his channel. Yep. And like I said, you're kind of scarce on your content. So I better see some videos of this, because I'm gonna miss this thing.
Yeah, same here.
Oh man, y'all gonna see it, especially if as soon as all this Corona goes away, and you know, I'm going to every Ford takeover that my body and bank account will allow me. So this will be there. Not this Ford takeover, but definitely next Ford takeover.
Not this one?
Yeah, I'm gonna bring the S197 unless I can pull it off where I get the thing I'm working on getting on. If I can do that, you'll see this car. But S197 is definitely coming.
Okay, so the S197 is the one we want.
Because I'm calling everybody out.
Uh-oh. Oh, you heard it here, guys. Bring your stuff to Ford Takeover. Manual car.
Yep, manual car.
Naturally aspirated.
Yep,
or NA one way or another.
NA or one way or another. It's either naturally aspirated or nitrous assisted, whichever one you want. Yeah, but y'all can bring your blowers, bring your twin turbos, bring all that good stuff.
Ooh, he's calling everybody out.
It just is what it is, man.
Oh, snap. So, Pony, hey. Are you watching this?
Oh, everybody but Pony. He's got a race car.
Anyway, guys, let's get this loaded. Let's get this loaded up. Today, we are here with Cody and his new car. Guys, so it's all loaded up and about to be on its way to Baltimore, Maryland. This car has pretty much been in the South its whole life.
Yeah, it was a Florida car originally.
Florida car originally? Then it's in Tennessee? Yeah, you're right.
Yeah.
But, man, that blue is just... I don't know what I like better, this blue or the Velocity blue. It's such a hard decision.
I'm going to be partial to say Sonic Blue.
Partial and say Sonic Blue. Sonic Blue is a beautiful color. But anyway, guys, he's going to get this car back home. He's going to actually, eventually, probably you said no time soon, right?
Yep, no time soon.
But eventually, he will tear his engine apart and let us know exactly what happened to it. We never got to tear it apart. Cody pulled the valve covers. He didn't see nothing that was just apparent. I'm interested to know what actually happened to the car. But anyway, guys, be sure to check out his channel. Like I said, Street Slayers, and see where it goes. He's got to get, I guess you're going back tonight?
Plan on it.
Oh boy.
Go as far as I can go.
There you go. He's got to drive. How far of a drive is it?
About 12 and a half hours.
That's not horrible.
Could be worse.
Alright guys, I'm going to get out of here. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit the like button. Subscribe if you haven't. Go subscribe to Street Slayers.
Or else.
Link in the description. And we will see you next time.